Hey, what if I told you there's a trading strategy out there that could deliver a whopping 170% gain with less than 2% risk? Seriously, I just put this strategy through its paces, backtesting it on over 100 trades, and we're looking at an incredible 67% win rate. It absolutely crushed it, not just in crypto, but on stocks, forex, literally everything I threw at it. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how the indicator inside their magic bands work, show you a step by step how you can use it to start seeing results just like these, and best of all, I'm giving you access to it completely free. Plus, I'll share a crucial risk management trick that's key to protecting your capital. You definitely don't want to miss this. Alright, let's get into the good stuff. The powerful indicator I've developed. The one that's pulling off these amazing results is called the indicator inside their magic bands. I know you're probably eager to get your hands on this thing, and trust me, you absolutely will. We're gonna break down all the details step by step so you know exactly how to use it for maximum profit and minimum risk. And yes, at the end of this video, I'll show you exactly how to get the indicator inside their magic bands for completely free. So, how does this indicator work? Let me show you what you'll see on your chart. This indicator is actually made of 3 dynamic lines that work together. You've got this upper band, which I call the HOTT, then there's this lower band, which is the LOTT. These 2 lines are essentially showing you key areas where the price is likely to react, giving you clear boundaries for momentum. And right there, you'll see a moving average band. This is super important because it helps us identify the true direction of the trend and gives us those prime entry and exit signals. Together, these 3 lines are like your personal roadmap on the chart. Okay. So now that you know what these lines are, let's see how they actually help you make money and read the market with incredible clarity. First, let's lock in on this moving average band. This 300 simple moving average SMA is your ultimate trend identifier. That's super simple. When the price is above this 300 SMA, you've got an uptrend, meaning the market is generally moving higher. And when the price is below this 300 SMA, you know you're in a downtrend. And in a downtrend, you guessed it, we only look for sell signals. This instantly tells you which direction you should be looking to trade. No more guessing games. Now, let's shift our focus to those upper and lower bands, the HOTT and LOTT. These are your momentum signals. When the price pushes above the HOTT, that's a clear sign of strong bullish momentum bias in the market. It means buyers are really taking control and pushing things higher. And on the flip side, when the price drops below the LOTT, that indicates a strong bearish momentum bias, telling you sellers are pushing hard and dominating. These bands help you spot when the market's really accelerating in one direction. Alright, let's dive into the core of how you actually make trades with this indicator inside their magic bands. This is where the rubber meets the road, and you'll see just how simple it is to spot those high probability setups. First, we use our 300 SMA for trend confirmation. This is crucial. When the price is clearly above the 300 SMA, we're in a confirmed uptrend. This means the market is generally moving higher. And crucially, we only look for buy signals here. This keeps you perfectly aligned with the big money flow. Conversely, if the price is clearly below the 300 SMA, you know you're in a downtrend. And in a downtrend, you guessed it, we only look for sell signals. This instantly tells you which direction you should focus on. Now let's talk about those upper and lower bands, the HOTT and LOTT. These aren't just boundaries. They're your momentum signals and your trigger for entry. First things first, you must always confirm we're in an uptrend. That means the price needs to be clearly above our 300 SMA. If it's not, we don't even think about buying. We just sit tight and wait for the right conditions. Next, we need the price to pull back. And this is crucial. That pullback has to reach or actually touch our LOTT line. See how here, when the price comes back all the way to our LOTT line, this is absolutely key. If that pullback wave doesn't actually reach or touch the LOTT line, that's not a valid pullback for our entry. And we simply wait for the next setup. We don't chase the market. We patiently wait for it to take a proper breath and offer that perfect entry point. And finally, after that valid pullback to the LOTT, we look for the price to aggressively break and close above the HOTT line. See how here we break out the HOTT line? That's your trigger. It tells you the bullish momentum is back with serious force. That's your green light to enter a buy trade right there. But hold on just a second, because before we jump to the sell side, there's something absolutely critical we need to talk about: risk management. Seriously, this is the backbone of successful trading, and your stop loss is key to protecting your capital. Even with the 67% win rate, you'll still have losing trades. And that's where risk management comes in to protect your account and let you keep playing the game. If you're not super familiar with the risk management yet, I actually just published a deep dive video all about it, what it is, and the best strategies to use. You can just click the card above. It's truly a must-watch to keep your trading safe. Now, specifically for our indicator insider magic bands strategy, here's how we set our stop loss and target. For a buy trade, you're going to place your stop loss either at the most recent swing low or right on the LOTT line. You'll choose whichever one of those is closer to your entry price. That helps you keep your risk tighter and more controlled. And for your profit target, we're aiming for a 2R target, meaning we're looking to make twice what we're risking on that trade. That's how we ensure those awesome gains we talked about earlier while always protecting our downside. Now for a sell signal, it's pretty much the exact inverse of everything we just covered, making it super intuitive. You'd first confirm we're in a downtrend, meaning price is below that 300 SMA, then you look for a pullback to the HOTT, and finally a powerful break or close below the LOTT would be your entry. Your stop loss would go at the most recent swing high or the HOTT line, whichever is closer, and your target is still that solid 2R. See? Super simple once you get the hang of it. Alright, so you've seen how powerful this indicator insider magic bands is, and you're probably super excited to get your hands on it for yourself. And like I promised, it's completely free. Here's exactly how you can get it right now to start using it on your charts. All you need to do is head down to the description below this video right now. I placed a direct link there for you to download the indicator insider magic bands instantly. Now once you click that link, you'll download a node file that's actually the indicator's point script code. What you need to do is completely copy the entire code from that file. Next, open up TradingView. Below your chart, you'll see a section called Pine Editor. Click on that. Then you want to create a new indicator and simply delete any existing text in that editor. Now, just paste the code you just copied directly into the empty space. And finally, hit the Add to Chart button, and there you have it. The indicator insider magic bands will appear right on your charts, ready to go. It's that easy.